Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to act fast. First, plug the charger in and remember any unsaved work so you don't lose it. Open the Chrome OS Task Manager with Search + ESC. Identify and kill the top CPU or memory hog. If the screen is frozen and Task Manager won't open, perform a hard reset by holding Refresh and Power until the device reboots. These steps resolve most temporary freezes because they stop runaway processes and clear the immediate system state. Once rebooted and responsive, check settings then about Chrome OS and install updates. Patches often fix stability bugs. Make sure you have at least 10% free storage. Delete large downloads or move files to Google Drive to prevent swap pressure. Open Chrome, clear browsing data, and disable extensions that you don't recognize. Then reboot into guest mode to see if an extension or profile is the culprit. These steps isolate software sources of freezing and reduce background load that leads to hangs. If freezing continues after updates and cleanup, back up Google Drive and local downloads, then run a power wash from Settings Advanced Reset to restore factory defaults. This removes software corruption. If power wash fails, create a recovery USB using the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer and follow on-screen steps to reinstall the OS. If none of this helps, record your serial number and contact the manufacturer or support. They can guide hardware diagnostics or warranty repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.